Nigerian Christians are about to be the reason, the excuse the USA is going to use to invade our land and desecrate our land the way that they have desecrated Sudan, Congo, etc. It's Nigerian Christians that is the scope that they will use. And you want me to tell you that, and you want it to be good for you. You are the reason that if it works out, because it will not work out, we mount. More mount. It no go happen. Wait for that their plan, it no go happen na anya. Mana onwekwa ndị oya na be onwekwa ike ịchọkwa ome na be gị mana na be ma kita n'okukwu omemelo. Ịchọ ka nsị gị na oya adịle gị mma. Ịchọ ka adịle gị mma. You are the reason there is going to be bloodshed. The ground there will drink blood. Ani Sudan angugo obala afojue. Ani Congo angugo obala and equator afojue. It's because of the Christians. It is because of you, the Christian. It is because of you. It is because of you. Oh Makagi. Ibo the Trojan horse. Eja batana bang. Ibo a virus to us. Je dozie mmụọ bụ unu. Je dozie ndị ichie bụ unu.